Literally, it looks like that you are cutting the video when the card goes through your hand and then cutting the video again when it comes up and it's restored. Like, you gotta be tripping, yo. You've seen 5-minute crafts. You've seen 5-minute crafts. You have seen 5-minute crafts. We've all seen 5-minute crafts. Crafts? 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 The point is, you've seen them, but have you actually tried them out? We're gonna do that today. What up, crew? Hope you're doing well, and welcome to the place that makes you crafty. I have never taken out the time to do 5-minute crafts just because of how it looks. But today, I'm like, you know what? I want to expand my horizons and try these 5-minute craft magic tricks. So let's do it. Oh, and by the way, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff because that would be awesome. Now, let's do it. Alright, so we're all set up and ready to go. I have my phone set up here as a second camera so you can actually see when I'm building these gaffs. Now, let's get started and watch that video again. Let's see how it actually looks. Okay, again, it drives me insane that they definitely cut this video in several parts. Alright, so they're first going to make like half a circle, which I guess makes sense. I would assume you want this to be the size of your wrist. Alright, cut, cut, cut. Okay. We're going to take a second card. We're going to fold that in half. Wait, hold on. I think I missed part of something. So they're gluing one side. Okay, and they glue enough for the other thing to stick on. Okay, that makes sense. Stick that on there. Stick that on there. Fair enough. All right, so let's come on down to the build station. As you can see, I got these B playing cards right here. It's the same ones that they're using. Now, of course, we're gonna need 2 cards, 1 and 2. We're gonna use a 3 of diamonds and a 6 of diamonds because we can. All right, so first things first. Maybe I shouldn't be looking at this through my camera. It just seems so weird. Okay, but anyway, let's fold one of these cards in half first. I guess it doesn't really matter which way you're folding them, but fold it in half first, just something along those lines. There we go. 3D video. Alright, so now that we've got that folded, we got to make a mark on this card. I forgot, are we making the mark on the front or the back? Let's step it back up real quick. Are we making the mark on the front or back? I would think it's the back, right? What the? Okay, apparently they're making the mark on the front, which I guess, I don't know. Okay, so let's just take the other card. If it doesn't work, we can always retry. So here I have the 6 of diamonds. We want to make it big enough so it fits the, I guess, half the circumference of my wrist. So, what do I use? Alright, so I have my Canon camera lens right here. I'm just going to try to, I guess, put this halfway on the paper. I can use this brand new Sharpie that I just bought at Dollar Tree. Just really repping all the brands right here. Time this, by the way, because I'm curious if this is actually a 5-minute craft. That actually doesn't look too bad, right? Hopefully that fits my wrist. If not, we will try again. Here we go. Let's cut this up because that's exactly what they did. And they, for some reason, did it on the front. I would assume since we're cutting it... This was stupid. It should have been on the back. I gotta say, being a non-professional magician who mainly does magic on YouTube and for friends, I don't believe this yet. Alright, so that's all cut, I guess. Check that out. Bam! You can still see a mark here. I feel like that's going to be the biggest flaw. It should have been on the back. I don't know why they did it on the front. I'm so confused. But I guess we got to go with what they're telling us. Otherwise, we'll have to restart. Okay. So now this is going to go around here somewhere. So let's, instead of just randomly gluing first, let's line up these cards so we know exactly what's what. Actually, first let me check this out. Are you ready? 1, 2. This is too small. It does not go... It doesn't go anywhere on my wrist. I guess it goes right here. So I can do this exactly right here. That's it. Okay. All right, let's get back to actually doing this thing. I would say we're going to put this right around here, right? Is that what we determined? Something like that. All right. Let me... And I mean, it's all going to be glued on anyway. So let me take this. There we go. Brand new glue stick, also from Dollar Tree. There we go. I think there we go. That should be okay enough, right? And it bends? Yep, it bends. Okay. So when I'm doing this, it would go from here to here. Here to here. 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 Ow, that hurts. You know, I showed on the main camera. Are you guys ready for this? Here. Does that look believable? I can't. I'm gonna look at myself in the camera here. You ready? Oh no, it became unglued. I guess back to the drawing board with the glue. Okay. We glued that over here. I don't trust this whatsoever. All right, let's just glue the other part. Oh my god, we're gonna need more glue. Stuck that on there. It's definitely been well over 5 minutes. I guess this is 5-minute crafts for people who know exactly what they're doing in 5 minutes. Put that right where it belongs. Right over there. Oh, that half circle is not obvious at all. At all. Not obvious whatsoever, right? So bad. What is this? All right, let's take this in front of the camera. Here we go. Are you guys ready for this? Oh, look, an ordinary 6 of diamonds. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Oh, you want to see it go through my hand? Look, it went through. Oh, it's been restored. Magic. No, but seriously, how does that even look? Let me look on the camera. Boom, okay. It's like this. What the? Okay. Fail. I hate this one. Alright, so let's just toss that over there for failed projects. And let's continue with another one. Let's check this one out. Looks like a normal King of Hearts, right? Nothing too wild about it. I just clicked something random. Okay, here we go. Oh! It bends backwards with the, okay, with the paper. Okay, we're not gonna try this cup one, but let's move on over to the dashboard of building, and let's try this out. So we're not gonna need glue. I don't have tape. All right, so we made it back with a large thing of tape, and let's try this out. So again, they're using a single playing card. Let's use a 3 of spades. And we need a strip of paper and some tape. Now, I just ripped out a piece of paper from my notebook. I guess I'll just cut this up and we'll take it from there. Here we go. This is also a very thin piece of paper, as you can probably see. I guess you can see on both cameras. It's a very thin piece of paper. And I'm hoping if we tape this like this, it'll pull down. Let's check it out, and then I'll do the camera for you on... I will do the effect for you on camera, not do the camera for you on effect. That makes no sense. All right, so we got that there. This actually looks like it could be less than a 5-minute craft. Come on, tape. Okay, well, my god, I suck with tape. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. This is just a trial session. Trial sessions never work 100%. So let's pick this up. Pull back. What the? What's going on? It just... What? I'm telling you, man, these 5-minute crafts are bogus. Alright, so we've experimented with thin piece of paper. Let's make it a little thicker and try it out that way. I think the problem was the thickness of the paper. Let me fold this up a few times. That should be close enough. I'm really hoping that's close enough, whatever. No one's gonna see this anyway. I mean, obviously no one ever asks to examine anything in Magic, right? Everyone just believes you face value. But again, this is 5-minute crafts. It's been a little more than 5 minutes, but I blame myself for that. Come on, tape, don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. All right, here we go. Okay. It failed me. It failed me again. Tape is strong. And the paper has been thickened to like, I don't know, 8 times the thickness. All right, let's just bend the card this way a little bit to make it easier to actually bend. Here we go. Are you ready for this? Whoa. Let's do it for you from the front view. Are you ready for this? Here's the card. Get ready. What the? You really have to apply pressure for this. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. It's actually a lot of fun. You guys need to try this. This one is actually quite nice. If someone asks to inspect the playing card, just tear this off immediately and throw it down and then hand it over to them. I think that's the only way this thing will actually work. But in terms of, I guess, a camera effect, pretty good. All right, so for this next one, let's see here. Oh, that actually looked very smooth. I kind of want to see that again. I mean, I feel like now it's obvious they're using 2 cards. They probably glued it back to back or something. But that looked so smooth. Let's watch that one more time. That looks very smooth. I'm excited for this one. Honestly, if I had to take a guess, they're probably just gluing the card together back to back and then just probably just flipping the bag over. But how do I keep looking at that? Okay. Gluing the card back to back. Not perfect at all, but throw it in the bag. Flip it over. Yeah, I got that. Okay, honestly, I feel like the skill level required for this trick is in turning over the Ziploc bag. Let's just jump right to the drawing board. What am I calling this? Let's jump right over to the workstation so we can try this out. And of course, I don't have a Ziploc bag. All right, yo, we back. We made it back, and we now have a bag of Ziploc. So, oh, why am I so out of breath? All right, so first things first, we're gonna take 2 cards. I almost don't want to take the ace. We'll do what they did. We'll take 2. Still out of breath. Take 2 of the same cards, same values. 7 of hearts and the 7 of clubs. All right, so glue. I'm not a fan of this glue stick. Use a better glue stick if you ever try this out. Here we go. All right, let's glue these cards back to back. There we go. And bam, check that out. How to make a double facer at home, just like magic, except by using a glue stick. Want to see some real magic? Check this out. Oh my god, look, oh my god. That's what you call real magic, when you can just turn a card over and it seems magical. That's the real magic. Anyway, so we got this created. Definitely didn't take nowhere near 5 minutes. Again, under 5-minute craft, which is always nice. Take this card, put it right in the bag. As you can see, it's already kind of starting to split a little bit. Let's just tighten it up a little bit. Right in the bag. Hopefully it doesn't separate. There we go. The card is now in the bag. How does that look? I guess here on my phone camera looks fine. Let's check the front view. How does that look? Pretty decent, I hope. I guess if you look closely, you can still kind of see like the outline of the card that's been glued to the back. But there we have it. So we have that card. Now, how does he actually hold it? That's what my question is, because honestly, like I said, again, the magic is really in the turn. Honestly, his own turn, the tutorial aspect of the turn is not going to look that good. I want to look at how he turns it. No, we got to go back. We got to go back. Yeah, forget this one. Come on. Okay. Let's take a... Oh, god damn it. Okay, we were so close. I just want to look at the turn. Okay, so he's holding it with... Oh, my card fell. No. You know what? Maybe it'll have the same effect if it falls or if it's straight up. Whatever. Alright, so we have this card here. He's holding it with these 3 fingers, the middle ring and pinky finger on the front, index finger in the back, and thumb in the back as well. I'm assuming when he turns it, he's going to turn, of course, like this, move that thumb around, and bring all the fingers to the front. But let's see. Yeah, it looks really nice the way he does it. Maybe it's just like a camera cut like they did in the first one. Still upset about that. But here we go, and please don't fault me. I'm not a Ziploc bag turning expert. Are you ready for this? Huh? That probably looked horrible. But let's try it by cutting the video. Oh, pure magic. I know. So honestly, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll put this in like the center pile of maybe it'll work if the person is, you know, just looking at it visually. Again, a lot of these I feel like are perfect for camera tricks. Not the first one. Not the first one. But the other 2 I feel like could work well over camera, especially if you do cuts like these guys, bunch of chumps. Hope you enjoyed doing this arts and craft project with me. Arts and crafts. Crafts. I can't say that word right. But truly hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see me try out more 5-minute craft magic tricks, do let me know down in the comments below. Pleasure having you here. See you soon.